Good morning. Here is a short description of how to migrate out of day 1 into Logseq, a markdown editor. The same applies to Obsidian. First, export your day 1 data as JSON, not Markdown. I did this using the Mac app, but it should work on the iPhone as well. Next, import it into an app called Diarly. There is a link in the description below. From there, export it as Markdown. This format is now 95% compatible with Logseq and Obsidian. Next, open Visual Studio Code to modify the data references. During the export, the data folder containing the data was in the same folder as the Markdown files. That will not be case for Obsidian or Logseq. Use the Replace in Files function in Visual Studio Code to replace the data reference with the assets reference, that is the folder name for assets in Logseq. If you are unsure of the target format, just check out an existing image in Logseq and make sure the final version looks the same. Optionally, you can append links to images with a fixed width so that they do not show full width. Use the same Replace in Files function as above. Also optionally, you can rename your files in case you want to show these in your Logseq journal. Just be aware that there can only be a single page in Logseq for each date. As I used both applications in parallel for quite a while, imported the data as pages rather than journal entries. That's it. Now just copy the Markdown files into the journal folder or the pages folder, and then copy the data into the asset folder, and you're done. Hope someone will find this helpful.